Good morning, students. We're going to continue unit lesson 1, top notch 3, describe a geographical location. We're going to talk about prepositions of geographical places. So we have here a map. As we can see, we're talking about Guatemala, Mexico, Honduras, El Salvador. Okay, what we call Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, El Salvador. So we have some prepositions. Prepositions, remember, in the parts of speech, the prepositions help to join sentences. So we have look at the map and study the examples. So look at these sentences and watch out how to use the prepositions. It's good to remember. Sometimes we tend to forget. It's a little bit hard. The prepositions is a little bit hard to learn, but as you practice, and as you read, the memory has information, the sentences, and you get it. So you have here some examples. You have Mexico is north of Guatemala. Honduras and El Salvador are located to the south. Then you have Tikal is in the north. Guatemala City is in the south. Coban is located in the central part of Guatemala. Champerico is on the west coast of Guatemala. Flores is on the south shore of Lake Petén Itzá. El Rancho is located on the Motagua River. So as you can see, you have some prepositions. You have off, to, on, in, and you have to learn how to use them. Okay, let's practice again. Mexico is in the north of Guatemala. Honduras and El Salvador are located to the south. Cal is in the north. Guatemala City is in the south. Coban is located in the central part of Guatemala. Champerico is on the west coast of Guatemala. Flores is on the south shore of Lake Petén Itzá. El Rancho is located on the Motagua River. So as you can see, you're going to see some examples of to, on, in. Then you have the grammar practice. As you can see, you have the answers over here. What you have to do is to practice, listen to the tutorials, and read the sentences, and watch out for the prepositions. Where are they located? So we have Vladivostok is located on the eastern coast of Russia. Barranquilla is in the northern part of Colombia. Haikou is on the northern coast of Hainan Island in China. Machu Picchu is located about 100 kilometers northwest Cusco. Vietnam is located south China. Kota Kinabalu is on the north coast of Borneo, a part of Malaysia. Manaus is located on the Amazon River in Brazil. Canada is to the north of the United States. So as you can see here, you have some examples of how to use in, on, at. The prepositions, if you're going to look for them, you're going to find that some prepositions are prepositions of time, preposition of place. So in here, we're talking about prepositions of place. You may do a list of prepositions. Make a list of prepositions to the, let me see, for a place, you're going to make some prepositions. For time, as you are practicing them, you're going to get more related to them. Then we have the directions. We have north, south, east, west. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Norte, sur, este, oeste. Noreste, noroeste, sureste y sureste y suroeste. There you have the example of that map. Then we have some voiced and voiceless TH. So you know the TH has a sound like th. So in here we have read and listen, then listen again and repeat. You have the voiced TH, the west. In here there are some words where the TH is going to sound, but in some words the TH it's silent. It's voiceless. So as you can see here, you have some examples. You have voiced, TH, the west, this way, northern, southern. You have a north, northeastern, south, southwestern. Okay, so you have voiced and voiceless. Very good. And then you have a conversation model. Okay, whenever you need any information of the answers, you already have the answers in the manual. You only have to review them, remember, okay? Then we have the conversation model. With the conversation model, you have, we're going to upgrade it a little bit. So we have read and listen to someone describing a geographical location. Where exactly is a temple located? About 15 kilometers north of Kyoto. Are you planning to go there? I've been thinking about it. It's a must-see. Be sure to take pictures. Ok, aquí tenemos exactamente una conversación que tiene que ver acerca de una locación geográfica. ¿Dónde exactamente está el templo localizado? Acerca de unos 15 kilómetros al norte de Kioto. ¿Estás planificando ir ahí? He estado pensando acerca de eso. ¿Estás seguro de esa must-see? Esa es una frase. It's a must-see. Es una frase cuando le dicen a uno, es algo que tú debes ver, especialmente cuando uno va de viaje. It's a must-see. Tú lo debes ver. Es algo que se debe de ver, que no se puede dejar por fuera. Be sure to take pictures. Esté seguro de ver las imágenes. Tomar fotografías. So there you have some recommendations. It's a must-see. You don't want to miss it. Criticisms you have, it's overrated, it's a waste of time. So, acá hay unas expresiones de recomendaciones y de críticas que se pueden utilizar para describir las locaciones geográficas. Okay, then we move to the vocabulary. We have described possible risks. Vamos a describir riesgos. Y en la lección número 2, warn about possible risk. Vamos a prevenir acerca de un posible riesgo. Este es un vocabulario que podemos utilizar cuando nosotros vamos de viaje, vamos a conocer un lugar. So it can be quite dangerous, it can be very rocky, it can be extremely steep. It can be so slippery. It can be pretty dark. It can be terribly exhausting. It can be really foggy. So we have some places, path, a cliff, a cave. There you have some examples. And we have dangerous, rocky, steepy, slippery, dark, exhausting, foggy. There you have the words, the keywords. Peligroso, rocoso, steep, cuando algo es muy empinado, slippery, algo muy deslizioso, largo, oscuro, exhausting, cuando algo es algo muy cansado, lo cansa a uno el momento que uno está realizando la caminata. Foggy, cuando está muy nublado. So then you have some places. Path es un sendero. Cliff es una alcantarilla. Es como cuando hay un peñón. Hay un barranco. Pueden ver la imagen que aparece a cliff. A cave, una cueva. And then you have some dangerous animals and insects. Watch out for the snakes. Keep an eye out for bears. There you have a snake, a shark, a jellyfish, a bear, a scorpion, a mosquito. Okay, so you have a snake, a shark, a jellyfish, a bear, a scorpion, and a mosquito. So you practice those words, practicing ese vocabulario. Then you have also a listening part. They already done. You only have to practice the reading. He thinks hiking around a waterfall is dangerous. She thinks climbing the mountain is dangerous. She thinks swimming in the bay is safe. He thinks walking on the cliff is dangerous. So we have complete each statement with the dangers. He warns the path is pretty steep and there are many maybe mosquitoes. She warns that there may be bears and that the path can be quite exhausting. He's worried that There will be a lot of mosquitoes and there may be jellyfish. He warns that the cliffs are really steep and there may be snakes. So as you can see here, when you complete these statements of dangers, you're going to use vocabulary that we already read, and also the dangerous animals vocabulary. Practice the sentences, practice the pronunciation, read them out loud, and try to make a conversation about what you've just read. Then we have we're going to stop here. On the next video, we're going to start with our to and plus adjective infinitive. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and remember to practice